Hello everybody, I'm back. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but it's been a while. I haven't been continuing with this channel because college got stressful. I went through a hard time, had no motivation to make videos. You know, the usual YouTube excuse, even though I'm not even a YouTuber. Just have fun making videos. But today, I'm finally making a video about my new bird, so you're gonna get to meet her. I'll tell you a little bit about her. Yeah, so subscribe, like this video, comment on what my next video should be. I can go more in depth on why I wasn't here. I can make a video about another new pet I got, whatever you guys want. So yeah, let's get into it. Here's my new bird. Alrighty, I'm here with my new bird. This is Nova. She's a green cheek conure. She was born on March 11th of 2017, so she's just a little over a year old now. Come on. I've had her for about 10 months now, a little over 10 months. So got her when she was like 3 months old. She's, yeah, adorable, I know. I don't even know if it's a she. You can't really tell with green cheeks unless you like get a DNA test, which I have not done that. Oh, sorry. I mean, she's a character. She's kind of a brat, but what green cheek isn't, I guess. So a little bit about green cheeks. Actually, I can do a whole care video on green cheeks. I'll do that. So if you guys want a care video on green cheek conures, then comment down below or like the video and I'll do that for you guys. Yeah, because they're really fun little birds. They're kind of sassy, but they're hilarious and I love her and she's adorable. So yeah, I'll do a care video on her and I guess I'll just take some shots of her right now. So yeah, this is my new bird, not even new anymore. This is my bird Nova. And yeah, okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what you want me to do and I'll see you then. Bye. Say goodbye. You ready?
She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. I'm sitting on the board, so I ain't we go inside. Go to the moon, bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof. Oh yeah, listen to me. Oh, hey, it's an update, no more. Oh, so many bottles. She can say in her voice, in her way, that she like me. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it to get my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's red. Come take it from me. I'll show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess. Good girl. Okay. You want some? Good girl. People dance and sing. We're just one big family. And it's our God forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. I'm so slowly taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. God's plan, God's plan. Hey, try to stuff it all in, but it don't even fit. Under the sea, baby, where's my man? This song singing for my grandma. You singing too, but your grandma ain't my grandma.
Let's do some old Justin Bieber, yeah?
When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody that compared to my baby, and nobody came between us, so could ever come above. She had me going crazy, oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily, don't need no Starbucks. She made my heart pound and skip a beat when I see her in the street and at school on the playground. But I really wanna see her on the weekend. She knows she got me dazing, cause she was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking, but I just keep on saying